Yan o, kumpol-kumpol ah.
Saan?
Arenas, ako na, malapit sa akin. Afternoon, just got off the office and today we're gonna harvest the lipote. And we'll use this as an experiment to make wine. Lipote wine. That's the tree. 7-year-old tree. Okay, let's continue harvesting. Let me show you what we've got so far. Okay, to be continued. Actually, marami nang laglag. Kasi, yan ang sayang. Ang daming nasayang. Kunti lang ang aming na-harvest. So, after harvesting our lipote, the next step is to clean them. And then now, we're pounding them. We're pounding them so that it will be easier for us to extract the juice out of the lipote. But we need to be careful not to break down the seeds because it will make our juice a little bit bitter. And we don't want that. This is how they look like right now after pounding them. Okay. In here, you're seeing my lipote juice starting to ferment. So this is just about like a bowl of lipote. And we kind of like squeezed them, like smashed them yesterday. Then you give it a day, like 24 hours, before you filter the juice from the pulp. So the 24 hours will allow the fruit to kind of, we started breaking them, right, smashing them, and within 24 hours it will start to like wilt down and become more soft, which would allow us to extract more juice from there. So what I did is I filtered this juice using a mesh cloth, and from a bowl of lipote I got around, I don't know, probably just 100 ml. So what do you expect? I have a very few harvest. But okay, so after extracting all the juice, we have to make sure to put it in a clean container and make sure that no air is coming out of this. And what I have here is an airlock. This will tell us when the fermentation is done, or when fermentation is being in action. I put here a liquid, just water. Some people just use a colored ones to see how it's going, because right now when I started when I put the water, it's until here, but you can't see it clearly, but it's until here. When it's not even, you would know that the fermentation process hasn't really started yet. And when the fermentation process start to do its work, okay, so the water will suddenly go here, it will start to bubble up. It's because the carbon dioxide produced by the fermentation will start to go out of this bottle, and there's no other way to go unless here. And this device will tell you if the fermentation is working. So that's why you need to make sure that no air is coming out of the other like holes or areas within this container, because we need to make sure that it's just coming out of here for us to see that using this device that that the fermentation process is working. And then when it starts to bubble up, and when the liquid when we see that the liquid is all even, that's when we'll know that the liquid inside is stable and done fermenting. That's the time when we'll be able to taste this lipote wine. Okay, so good luck to us, and I hope this works. All right, good luck. very few.